Athena 850. When you look at the brainchild of the Australian company United Equipment, you immediately wonder what a rover is doing in a warehouse. The Athena 850 could in fact be working on the Red Planet. According to the developers, it's the most versatile and productive scissor lift in the world. Its unique bi-leveling crawler undercarriage also gives it an unusual appearance. While wheeled models can only operate on flat surfaces, the Athena 850 is able to maneuver safely on the most difficult terrain. The automatic leveling system copes with slopes up to 20 degrees, and workers will feel as confident as possible on the platform, which rises to a height of almost 8 meters. They can take all the power tools they need with them too, because the platform has a power supply. The model has a lifting capacity of 250 kilograms. With a width of only 1.3 meters, we have a machine that can be used for almost any project. Kubota Vietnam SLR 110H. Speaking of modern machinery, there are some vehicles that you probably didn't even know existed. For example, harvesting sugarcane leaves has always been a difficult task, requiring painstaking manual labor. However, there have been innovations in this area of agriculture as well, and you can see how the Vietnamese company Kubota has solved this problem. Its engineers have created special attachments for compact low-power tractors. Equipped with plastic bands, the rotating blades of the SLR 110H quickly remove dry cane leaves, get rid of pests, and improve plant growth. Calculations have shown that the tool improves labor efficiency by about 150% and helps farmers save about $40 per hectare. Cometo MTH30. Once again, we have a machine that looks more like a spaceship than a factory vehicle. The Italian company Cometo created it to perform an enormous amount of work in the production process. MTH is a modern portal truck designed for transporting very long loads in industrial areas. Imagine, for example, how many times you have to move heavy pipes from place to place in a steel mill. The MTH does it with ease. It can pick up to 30 tons at a time and deliver it to the desired location at a speed of up to 20 kilometers per hour. The 175 kilowatt diesel engine and the pneumatic mechanic suspension help it to do this. Toro Groundsmaster 4000D. We believe that there is a secret competition going on between lawnmower manufacturers to see who can release the most incredible and smartest model. Right now, the Groundsmaster 4000D from Toro is winning, and you can see exactly why. But let's talk about the internal systems and the surprises that we can find there. First, the parallel hydraulic traction system provides a permanent four-wheel drive. Thanks to this, the lawnmower easily conquers hills and wet grass. With a cutting width of almost 3.5 meters and a height of up to 127 millimeters, the machine creates a perfectly even surface, all thanks to the high torque, the smart power technology, and the patented hybrid drive cutting deck system. Finally, the 55 horsepower turbo diesel engine enables speeds of up to 13 kilometers per hour. Hauler HX1. No need to look around for the driver's cab here, it hasn't gone anywhere. It's just that Volvo's HX1 doesn't need a person to do its job. A couple of years ago, the Swedish company set itself 4 key technological goals: 0 emissions, 0 accidents, 0 unplanned stops, and 10 times greater efficiency. You could say that the HX1 is built in full compliance with all of them. The 15-ton dump truck is fully autonomous, which increases the safety in the workplace. Emissions are reduced to 0 thanks to the electric motor. Energy recovery increases productivity, and the simplified design makes maintenance unnecessary. Tunnel fire truck. The only thing scarier than a fire is a fire in a cramped tunnel. Ordinary fire trucks, even the most modern ones, are not very effective in this kind of emergency. Fortunately, the firefighters have now at their disposal models like this one. Its main feature is noticeable straight away. The car has 2 cabs, because there's no time to reverse in a burning tunnel. In addition, it's equipped with a self-protection sprinkler system. There are also enough tools to fight the fire. In addition to 8,000 kilograms of water on board and 1,000 kilograms of 2 types of foam, there is also a water mist smoke evacuation system. Dole Logo 12K. This truck seems to have made a wrong turn. For any other vehicle of similar dimensions, this would be a significant problem, but not in this case. You can simply turn the cab around and drive back with full visibility. This is a lumber carrier based on a MAN tractor from the German company Dole, one of the world's most famous manufacturers of logging trucks. Engineers have invented a way to modify the trucks so that they can cope with all phases of work independently. The trailer is equipped with special movable sections that can be adjusted to different timber length, and the loading is carried out with a hydraulic bucket. To get full control of the process, the driver can raise the cab to the desired height. It all looks very impressive. Bale Wrapper 6500. In case you didn't know why this machine is making a huge roll, let us explain. In order for the haylage sacks not to spoil during storage, they all have to be hermetically sealed. Wrapping each bale when there are hundreds of them in the field is a real pain in the neck. Engineers from Canada have decided to get rid of this burden. First, the Bale Wrapper 6500 from Tubeline provides much better protection for haylage. The model is equipped with 2 subframes, and each of them allows 2 layers of film to pass through. Secondly, the oversized frame allows even the largest bales to be wrapped, or standard stacks to be wrapped in 2 rows. Finally, the Bale Wrapper 6500 gets the job done extremely quickly, thanks to the 20 horsepower Honda engine. Meister system. If you wanted to see the most impressive radio-controlled vehicle ever, it's time to meet this German monster. Of course, the TC100 multifunctional transport system is not an RC car to have fun with. It's designed to carry extremely heavy loads under extremely adverse conditions, the kinds that would pose a risk to a vehicle with a driver. Its tracked locomotor enables it to carry loads of up to 200 tons over deep snow, soft ground, or mountainous terrain. In addition, the machine is incredibly versatile. It's essentially a platform on which a variety of equipment can be installed, including boom cranes and manipulators. Evotech Robotic Trimmer Attachment. Today, we saw an incredibly powerful lawnmower with the appearance of a sports car, but even that would not be to everyone's liking, because you have to drive it yourself. But controlling a robotic lawnmower with a joystick is another matter. If you also think that, this small vehicle is sure to please you. The hybrid model, the 22T from Evotech, is equipped with solar panels, has a remote control, and a pretty futuristic look. The functionality is obviously top-notch too. 2 independent movable trimmers will cope with the weeds, which conventional mowers simply can't reach. The working elements are also equipped with special stops, so they easily withstand collisions with hard objects like poles.